So in this video, I'm going to be talking about things you shouldn't be doing if you want to get sales on Redbubble. A lot of these things people do without even realizing that they're doing them. So you're going to want to pay close attention to this one. Hi there, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate as well as to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your online stores or even make money online. To stay up to date with new ways that could potentially help you make money online, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bells so you'll be notified whenever I do post a video. And as for today's video, I'm going to be talking about things you guys should not be doing, especially if you want to get sales on Redbubble. Now, for those who don't already know, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description. However, if you're someone that's looking to make print-on-demand into more of a full-time thing, I have a paid step-by-step course that's also linked down there as well. Now, straight away, the first thing you should not be doing is uploading less than 10 designs and expecting to get sales. Now, this is something I probably shouldn't even have to say, but I have seen people complain at the fact that they're not getting sales after a week with only 10 or less designs. Now, I'm not saying if you have 11 designs, you're going to get sales, but don't expect to be bringing in sales with little to no designs. I usually say if you haven't made it past your first 100 designs, don't complain, keep working, stay consistent, and the sales will come. Some people may get lucky with a few designs and actually get a lot of sales, but it's very, very rare to do that. Only the 0.1% probably do that on Redbubble, so it's best to make sure that you keep uploading designs and plan for the long term, not the short term. The next thing would be don't be ignoring the designs that are getting you sales or the designs that are bringing you traffic, mainly because this information is very, very crucial. If you can pay attention to that information, you have a good idea of which designs you should be creating more of, alongside which designs are getting you the most sales if you are getting sales that you can then make more of, if that makes sense. For those with no sales that don't know how to actually track the traffic on the designs, you do this by using Google Analytics. I'll link a video down in the description that talks you guys through that and that goes through some of the benefits as well as how to use it. Next up, we're talking about tags. Don't use too many tags. Now, a lot of people will argue and say, what's the difference between using 30 tags or 25 or less tags? Now, from my own experience and my own research, I've noticed that my designs that have less than 25 tags usually perform better than the ones with more than 25. This is what works for me. I've also shared this information with others and it's been working well for them as well. So with that being said, I feel comfortable enough to say don't use more than 25 tags, especially if you have no sales. Definitely try that out and let me know how it works for you. And if you happen to have more than 25 tags, also let me know down in the comment section how that's working out for you. I'll be very interested to hear about that. Also, if you're looking for any more information in regards of tags, I've made a couple of videos that talk about tags as well as the best sites to use if you want to get ideas for tags. All that information will be linked down in the description. And now this is the big one, guys. Don't post copyrighted images or anything copyrighted, full stop. I say this mainly because if you do this, even if you get sales at first, this could lead to your account being taken down in the future and you don't want that. So it's better to just be safe in the first place than sorry later on. Copyrighted designs or images are literally like a ticking time bomb. If you don't know whether the images you have or the ideas that you're designing are copyrighted or not, down in the description, I'll have a video linked there where I actually talked about how to check trademark on designs. And on top of that, another way you can actually check if whatever you're creating is trademark or has copyright is literally by just searching on Google, does this thing have copyright? Trust me, it's best to stay safe when it comes to these kinds of things because you definitely don't want all your hard work going to waste. Now, the final thing I'm going to talk about today is the fact that you should not disable any of the products you have on your designs. The main reason I say this is because disabling a product reduces the chances of having more things out there that could be sold to customers. Whether you think something looks good on a certain product or not, don't let that be a factor that makes you disable a product. Enable everything. If you're in doubt with how a design looks on a certain product, just select the pattern option so the design fills up most of the product. If the product does not have the pattern option, leave it enabled anyways, because trust me, the more products you have out there with your design, the higher chance you have of actually selling them. That is it for today's video. If you've made it to this point, I just want to say thank you. I also want to thank everyone that dropped a like on my last video. I can see that it currently has 277 likes, which is insane. And I said if we manage 200 likes on that video, I would continue a new series that I've started. And trust me guys, I am already working on the next episode as part of my how to start making money from nothing online, which is a series it seems like I'm going to be doing more of now. Nevertheless, if you got any sort of value from this video, if you could drop a like on it, that would be very much appreciated. If we could hit over 150 plus likes, that would be amazing. And if you've made it to this point in the video, down in the comment section, comment down, I am successful, because you are all successful. Even if you think you're not, if you're watching this video, you're successful or you're gonna be successful. So drop it down in the comments. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.